It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy.
Hi, my name is Jamie. If you're new here, which you probably are, welcome. This is a cleaning and organizing channel. Those are my favorite kind of videos to watch on YouTube, and I love to clean and I love to organize. We are a military family living in Germany, so I hope you keep watching. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So I just came back to say the reality of living in Europe is, as I was pouring this, I was hoping it wasn't additional soap. I was pretty sure that it was fabric softener based on the picture and the size, but I did double check. Thank you, Google Translate, and it does say softener on it, so yay!
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon no, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
If I had to pick something about this house that I didn't love, it would definitely be the kitchen. I don't love the sink. I don't love that the sprayer is only on one side of the sink. It makes it really difficult. I also just I hate how much tile is in this house, and you'll see in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. Tile is just up to the ceiling, and it's, well, not in the kitchen, I guess it's not up to the ceiling, but in the bathrooms, it's literally the entire bathroom is tile, and it's just impossible to keep clean. And white is alright, it's easy to decorate around if I had to have tile everywhere, but it just looks so sterile, and it just looks like I'm living in a clinic or something, to be honest, but we work with it. Another thing I don't love about this kitchen, or well, the house in general, is the lack of storage, which just seems to be a European thing. I think they're all pretty much minimalists by nature. They just aren't consumers. They don't have as much stuff as we do, but even still, I would imagine that they have food that they need to store, and pantries just really aren't a thing. So I've kind of just worked around it. I've turned one of our closets into a pantry. We have shelves downstairs in our basement where we store food, as well as cupboards in here, which I'm sure is where they intend you to store the food. I also just don't think they store as much food as we do. They don't buy in bulk. Their products come in smaller sizes, so I would imagine that they go grocery shopping more often. But especially with coronavirus, I don't want to go to the grocery store every week. We go 2 weeks, sometimes every 3 weeks, and so we've really struggled with where to store our extra food, which is why we bought the shelving units downstairs. And by no means do we have extra food, just, what we need to get us by for 3 weeks so we don't have to shop as often.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright.
but we didn't have a lot of food storage, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you all the places that we do store food. This is where we store our supplements, coffees, teas. Then we store things on top of the cabinets and on top of the refrigerator, hoping to organize those a little bit more soon in a new video. This is in our mudroom, and we use the top 2 shelves for food, and then pet stuff, and then tinfoil, plastic bags. And then this is in our basement, and we just store additional food and cleaning supplies there. I'm really excited to reorganize some of these areas in an upcoming video.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable, Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable, Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable, Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable,
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah. you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah.
If you made it all the way to the end of the video, first of all, thank you, and you're a rock star. And if I don't know you or I'm not related to you, comment down below where you're from. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.